Oh, hi, you're here. Today we are going to introduce you to 10 BHA 5000 hematology analyzer for you. The 10 BHA 5000 hematology analyzer utilizes both Coulter's principle and flow cytometry to determine the granularity, diameter, and inner complexity of the cells. White blood cell adopts light scattering and sheet flow technique. Using hydrodynamic focusing, the cells ascend through an aperture one cell at a time. A 5-part cell counter can differentiate all kinds of white blood cells. Red blood cell adopts the Coulter's principle, also known as volume independence technique. Hemoglobin adopts Beer-Lambert law. The concentration of hemoglobin in the sample can be calculated by comparing the absorbance of the diluent with the absorbance of the sample. Next, let's see how it looks. From front side, display, printer, test key, sample probe, indicator light. From back side, dilution liquid interface, waste liquid interface, switch and power input socket. Now let's get started test. Start up. Turn on the power switch to start the instrument. The instrument automatically starts initialization. Users can perform desired operations after the completion of initialization. Enter username and password in the login dialog. Click on the login button to enter the main screen. Mood selection. In the count screen, click on the mood button. Select the type of blood mood and test mood. In the count screen, click on the information button. Enter the sample information. Testing. Put the mixed sample under the sample probe and press the test key to start counting. Remove the test tube after sample expiration. At the end of countdown, the results will appear on the screen. This is all about our G10 BHA 5000 hematology analyzer. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us below. Thanks for watching.